guys, today is just going to be a quick video on our dyno session here in SCaG Automotive Services, and we're going to be tuning Boodie's SR20 Lancer. What are you gonna expect from your car today?
Hopefully I could reach a 400s at the wheel. That would be more than enough.
Yeah, in a body like this, 400 is like a stupid amount of power. I mean, everything's prepped anyway for 400, right?
Yeah.
So it's just up to Chino to get this thing up to 400 horsepower. What he says. We're confident that Chino can do it. It's gonna be a piece of cake. Alright, here is our ECU of choice. It's an AEM Series 2 ECU. So I'm sure the ECU can get us to a reliable 400 wheel horsepower with all the parameters it lets us tune and everything that it lets us control. So I'm excited. I'm sure Boodie's excited to see the power curve that we have and the numbers that we're gonna have after this dyno session. So what's happening now?
Well, we have to change new plugs, change the manual boost controller because mine is busted previously. Manual boost controller is leaking. So yeah, hopefully everything will be okay.
We need a good boost controller to reach 2 bar.
No, thank you.
That's Garrett Bow. Alright, there's Chino about to work some magic. So there's still a lot of juddering and stuttering when it starts to hit boost. So they're checking all the wastegate lines now to make sure nothing's off, nothing's cracked, everything's okay. Holy crap! That was just a second pull. There you go. It's getting higher and higher. That amount of power is not bad for an SR already. But he wants 400. We'll see if we'll get there. Actually, the numbers that Boodie is hitting for his SR are my dream numbers for my SR. I would be pretty happy about those numbers already. But that is a competition car and he was aiming for 400 from the very beginning, so I don't think they're gonna stop until they can max out what they can safely get from the engine. So let's see how this progresses. Another run! God damn. Oh man. It's getting up there. What the heck? That is a lot of power. I'm looking at the graph right now, and let me show you. I'm not an expert at this stuff, but this looks pretty damn good. So now that he's reached 400, it's time for him to break a bunch of transmissions, differentials, axles. That won't stop you or me from breaking everything. So let's just get some final words and thoughts from Boodie. How do you feel about your car now?
Very surprised. And I didn't expect that it could come out with 400s with smaller size injectors, thanks to Chino.
I'm also amazed and kind of jealous. It's making me miss my SR20 so much. Drifting an SR20 would be a lot more fun than the 1UZ, to be honest. For me. I don't mind being busy inside the car. It adds to the excitement I have when I'm driving. So having a turbo setup, even a laggy turbo setup, is kind of exciting for me. So I really wouldn't mind having an SR20 in the Corolla. But that SR20 is for my S13. Or should it?
Dum dum dum.